A very good morning to all of you, all the dignitaries present here. I am Hitendra Sharma from class 10th. Today I am going to express my views on the topic terrorism, the biggest threat to peace and humanity. Terrorism has become a global menace. It does not know any boundary, not of religion, state or geography. From United States to Middle East, from Europe to South Asia, almost every country has suffered due to this evil. Terrorism comes in many forms such as political terrorism, cyber terrorism, religious terrorism, each causing fear, destruction and loss of innocent lives. Sadly, some countries are not only victims but also support terrorism to fulfill their political goals. This is extremely dangerous and shameful. India has been targeted of terrorism for decades. We have lost thousands of our brave soldiers and innocent people. The latest example is Pahalgam attack in Kashmir, where terrorists attacked 26 innocent people on the basis of their religion, proving that terrorism based on religious hatred still exists. This is not for the first time when India has suffered such a great loss of lives. Many attacks were made earlier also. For example, Uri attack, Pulwama attack, Kargil attack, attack on Mumbai, etc. But the question is that how do we fight this evil? Firstly, we must unite, not just as a nation but as a global community to fight against terrorism. We must share intelligence and stop funding of terrorist organizations. Secondly, we must educate our youth so that they are not brainwashed of terrorist ideologies. Thirdly, we must act with strength. When required, we must not hesitate to take bold and firm steps, be it surgical strikes or strong diplomatic actions, because terrorists understand the language of power only. In conclusion, I want to say that terrorism is not just a war of guns, it is war of ideologies. To conquer this war, we must be united, strong and wise. At last, I want to say that बंदूकों की गोली का उत्तर सद्भाव नहीं होता, हत्यारों के लिए अहिंसा का प्रस्ताव नहीं होता, धरती पर हत्यारी बंदूकों ने तर्पण नहीं किया, दुनिया में आतंकवाद ने कभी समर्पण नहीं किया, यह सिर्फ कुचला जाता है, दूजी राह नहीं होती, संकल्पों के निर्णय को जग की परवाह नहीं होती। गर भारत को शांति चाहिए, कश्मीर की वैली में दिल्ली उत्तर देना सीखे, इजराइल की शैली में दिल्ली उत्तर देना सीखे, इजराइल की शैली में। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।